Welcome in the arena. My name's Allison Klein. We're coming to you from the OCP Summit in San Jose, California, and it's a Data Insights episode, which means I'm with Janice Narowski. Hey, Janice, how's it going?
Hey, Allison, doing well.
I see that you brought an old friend back for another episode. Tell me who we're talking to today.
I did bring back an old friend, but not just an old friend, an organization that continues to morph and evolve and grow. Very excited today to be speaking with Peak AIO. Today we have Roger Cummings, the CEO of Peak AIO. Welcome back, Roger.
Thank you for having me. Appreciate it very, very much.
So why don't we just start, because some of our listeners might have missed our first episode together. Why don't we just start with an introduction of Peak AIO and your focus on the market?
Yeah, sounds great. So PKIO really initially addressed the challenge of new customers getting into AI and really not understanding the infrastructure that's necessary.
Mm-hmm.
They bought the GPU, they had this innovation, and they all of a sudden saw it crawling, right? So PKIO really started around how do we gain the most highest performance in the smallest footprint, and meaning we can provide, and that's kind of our secret sauce very early, is getting line speed performance on of a single server.
Wow. Okay.
So Roger, let's dive right into it, I guess,
Sure.
right? One of PKIO's innovations, right, is your PFNS, a new open source tool.
Yeah.
So file system rather, and you just did a lot of announcing around this.
Yeah,
right?
we're very excited about it.
Tell us a little bit more about that.
Yeah, so as I mentioned, we started that, software defined, put software on a commodity server, turn that server into a rocket ship for AI. That was great, and we had some great success together in providing that performance on a single node. Well, now customers want to, obviously for training and expansion of AI applications, is scale that across the file system. But the challenge out there is there's a lot of, private kind of or code that's out there that's proprietary code, proprietary code out there. So we wanted to open up. We worked very closely with Los Alamos National Labs to build this open source PNFS solution that will match the performance of storage as well as the scale of the file system that people need today.
Now, you've also employed a modular framework to drive improved successes of AI applications. Can you talk about that a bit?
Yeah, actually, one of your earlier presentations, I remember someone mentioned about failures is way too expensive today, and it really doesn't need to be. And that's where we took our architecture, our modular form of high performance data storage, put the file system on top, and it's automatically going to recognize as you add more and more nodes. So it'll scale in a linear fashion across data storage as well as file performance. So It doesn't have to be cost prohibitive to take risks and build innovation. And you need to fail sometimes, right? You learn more from doing it.
That's very true.
And your new 2U AI data server, right, gives you tremendous throughput and density.
Yeah.
But tell us a little bit about how you make the innovation possible around the trade-offs of power, thermal, and energy performance too.
Yeah, absolutely. So, and you're going to see that as we grow across the file system too, which is really exciting. So together with Solidigm, we built a tremendous amount of success around this modular footprint because we're able to go very dense with the power of the Solidigm innovation, and then it's less infrastructure. A lot of our competitors start at 12 to 10 to 15 type of nodes just to get the same level of performance. We can get the same level of performance in a sixth of the infrastructure necessary.
Amazing.